How to fix Instagram quality videos on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram quality videos on Android phone. First, go to Play Store and here you will find Instagram. Now just make sure your Instagram is updated, and then make sure you are using Wi-Fi, not mobile data, and then restart your phone and go back, try again. And if that doesn't fix your problem, go to settings and then battery. Now make sure power saving mode is disabled, and then go to Instagram, open your profile and then the three lines. Now settings, and here you will find account. Scroll down until you find cellular data use, and now just disable data saver, and that's it. Don't forget like and see you in the next video.